Okay guys, now we go on and we are going to have some speaking practice, right? We have your 3-minute English activity already pending, and today you're going to speak English on any topic for 3 minutes. You can prepare as well because you weren't here yesterday. So 3-minute English is you have to speak English on any topic, whatever you want to. You can discuss, share anything, your habits, your life, family, or any plans you have. And what you have to do, you have to turn on the timer, actually the countdown timer. Set your mobile countdown timer to 3 minutes and it will start coming back to 59, 58, 57 and go on and on and on, and then your mobile will give a beep and then you will have to stop, right? Okay, I give you one relaxation. Instead of 3 minutes, I'm going to make it 2 minutes. Okay, so 1 minute relaxation. Now you can set your mobile's timer, or maybe one of you can set the timer and then you can show it to your other friend. Okay, that 2-minute English, right? So probably one of you can do that and then you can share it with others, right? Now we are going to take a start.
Thank you very much for providing me the opportunity to speak with. My name is Tahir Raza, and by profession I am an engineer and doing a small business here in Lahore, and I have a happy and small family residing in Lahore at Dream Avenue, and I can say about myself that I am here to learn, to achieve a milestone, to speak well and fluent. So in fact, the prime objective to attend this class or this session is I need to break my barriers to communicate well and to communicate in an easy way without stressing myself. So it's a prime objective to be part of this session or this class. I think that we need to learn, understand more and more languages. At least we should be fluent in speaking English. So can we communicate our thoughts, our suggestions, our recommendations or experiences in an effective way. And what else I have to
2
say?
minutes, huh? Just carry on.
20 seconds more.
All right.
Okay. So anyway, being part of this class is a good experience, and I am hopeful that we all can learn well and recommend others to attend this class.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah, all done, almost 2 minutes time. Okay, overall it's good. You just have to focus your fluency, and you need to focus your timing also, because I gave you 3 minutes, then I reduced it to 2 minutes. So you even spoke less than 2 minutes, like less than 2 minute time. And try to focus your, like, main thing is fluency. And then there were few grammatical mistakes, like you said, so can we communicate. It should have been so we can communicate, right? So these type of small mistakes, but overall it was good. You just need fluency, right? And that will come through practice. Okay, thank you. Now let's go on with the next one.
Okay. Hello. My name is Rashid Mahmood and I'm from Lahore. Today I'm start from my childhood age. So when I was a child, I have too much hobbies, and I had too much hobbies.
So many hobbies.
So many hobbies. Like I want buy.
I wanted to buy.
I wanted to buy birds and animals and other things, and spend time on bicycle, riding the bicycle.
I wanted to spend time riding the bicycle.
Riding the bicycle.
Repeat the whole sentence after me. I wanted to spend my time riding the bicycle.
I wanted to spend my time riding the bicycle. But now till my hobby is birds.
My hobby is keeping the birds.
It's keeping the bird, and I have too much birds.
I have so many birds.
I have so many birds in my house on top roof, and spend my free time with.
I spend my free time.
I spend my free time with my birds also, and I'm doing work in real estate. At Noor Orchard Society, and before this society,
I used to work.
I used to work. I'm doing this job at Zameen.com.
I used to work with Zameen.com.
I used to work with Zameen.com, but now I am learn IELTS.
Now I am preparing for IELTS.
Now I am preparing IELTS for going to abroad for higher study, master's program. Now, and I want to go USA for.
I want to go to USA.
I want to go to USA for master's degree.
Alright, this is good. Grammatical mistakes, so many, so much, and all that. Okay? Yeah, you'll have to focus.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asir Zia. I am working in Saudi Arabia last 30 years.
I have been working.
I have been
working in Saudi Arabia for the last 30 years.
I have business. Sorry, I have business.
I have been doing business.
I have doing business in.
I have been
doing business
in Saudi Arabia for the last 30 years.
For the last 30 years. Nowadays, I shift in Lahore. From 6 years.
Recently. Okay, no. 6 years ago, I shifted to Lahore.
6 years I shifted.
6 years ago.
6 years ago.
I shifted to Lahore.
I make a new unit here at Raymond Road, embroidery unit. I have several machines, multi-head computer machines, and I give services to some popular famous brands like Limelight, Breeze, or like this.
Some other companies.
And also I have garments, ladies unstitched and ladies stitched garments. I am doing business in this also, and I have several designers and stitching unit. I have a stitching unit
as well.
Alhamdulillah, I am very happy in Pakistan.
Alright. So that's why you want to go for another marriage, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Thank you.
Alright, that's great. Next one, please.
Hi, I am Kiran Asir. I lived in Lahore 3 days ago. I love Lahore. Lahore is city of Pakistan, and I love Lahore because it's a huge city. And Lahore, I saw Lahore has two types. One New Lahore and Old Lahore. I live in New Lahore.
Okay.
New Lahore has beautiful societies and restaurant, malls, and my children also lived in Lahore. I live with my parents.
I live with my parents, right?
And in Lahore has many delicious food. And
Okay.
I come to.
Okay, that's fine. Listen, you need to work mainly on your fluency, the first thing. And number two, you should come up with some more ideas, right? And try to speak about Lahore in different ways. Like you can talk about education in Lahore, you can talk about gardens in Lahore, you can talk about shopping centers in Lahore, and then try to elaborate your points. With each point, try to elaborate your point, okay? Then it'll be better. Let's go on, please. The next one. I corrected you as you were speaking. Yeah, grammar, mainly grammar, exactly. Yes.
Hello, My name is Ali. My name is Ali. I'm from Lahore. Basically, I'm from Saudi Arabia. I born in Saudi Arabia.
I was born.
I was born in Saudi Arabia. My mother is Saudi national. That's why I can speak Arabic. I studied in Arabic school. I had too many Saudi friends.
Carry on, and
Then I moved when I was in 13 years old. I moved Pakistan.
I moved to Pakistan.
I moved to Pakistan, Lahore city. I tried to study English here, learn English, IELTS, and other things in English language. Basically, I'm foodie person. I like to try different restaurants, different food, different restaurants.
Okay, all right. So just don't think too much and try to focus your fluency. And whenever you talk about something, try to give some details about that. Go into the detail, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, so we had this activity 3-minute English, and this was the first time that you guys started and you performed first time, but gradually you'll be fine, right? And again, I tell you, you don't need any preparation. Just make up your mind that I have to speak English for 3 minutes, and you can write down, for 3 minutes, you can write down 8 to 10 things. For instance, you can write here, my favorite food. For few seconds, you can talk about your favorite food. Then you can write there, my daily routine. You can talk about your daily routine. Then you can write my business, my family, my city, my education, my dream. Okay, so whatever is related to you, you can just speak on that one by one. Okay, you don't need to copy something from somewhere. कि आज मैं इस पे यहाँ से copy करके. No, it should be all about you. Whatever you speak in 2 to 3 minutes, that should be all about you. So we will do this activity at least once in our class in a week, so that you are quite, these activities will make sure that you speak English fluently. Fluency comes with practice, right? For good fluency, you need actually practice, okay? All right, thank you.